Hi guys, in today's video I am going to show you how to make a simple split monogram. This is a simple one. It doesn't have the decor around it or anything like that. It's just how to make a simple one. And if you want to see how to make one with like designs around it and all of that, just let me know in the comments and I will make another video for that one. So for this one, like I said, it's just going to be simple and it's very easy to make. So what you want to do is you want to open your Cricut Design Space, which is what you see right here, and you click on New Project. And then once you're in your new project, you go to the left over here where all of these tabs are. You see templates, projects, images, text, shapes, and upload. You're going to click on the text and there's going to be a box that's going to pop up. Now for this, you type the letter that you want. I'm going to use the letter M, and I'm picking the letter M because that's for my last name. Once you type in your letter, you go up to fonts at the top right here, and this is for whoever doesn't have a Cricut and doesn't know this, but right here you will see all the fonts that are system fonts, which is the free fonts, and also the ones that you have to purchase from Cricut. You'll see a bunch of those here. And if you go up here to the top to system, you will see all your free fonts, and you will also see here any fonts that you downloaded into your Cricut, into Design Space. So for this video, excuse me, I am going to select the font name. Let me see where it's at. It's called Engravers. I like how the capital letters come out with that font, so I'm going to use that one. It's called Engravers MT. So I'm going to use that font. And once you have the font that you want, you can move this over, make it bigger using this arrow right here on the right at the bottom of the letter. It'll let you increase it, make it smaller, bigger. So I'm going to make it to how big I want it for now. And then now I'm going to go over to the left and you're going to select a shape. So you're going to click on shapes, and you can select any shape you want, but I rather select a square because it gives me the straight lines instead of, you know, any of these. So I picked a square, and I'm going to unlock this by clicking on this lock right here. And by unlocking that, it not only allows you to move it up and down like this, but you can also move it like this. You can spread it across. So I'm going to put it over my M where I want to split it and make it as big or small that you want. And I think about there is where I want it. So once you put the rectangle over your M, you need to split your image. To split the image, there's a few ways you can do this. You have to select both the M and the rectangle that you just put up there. So to do this, there's a couple of different ways you can do this. You can either hit the control button on your keyboard and select the M and then select the rectangle, and you see it highlights everything. Or you can select control and then tap over here on the right. You can hit cut the square and then cut text. So you see both of these are highlighted now on the right. They're gray. You can select both of those like that by holding down control, and it will highlight everything. Or you can just go like this with your mouse and highlight both of them. That's another way. That's the way that I do it. It's faster. And then down here at the right, you want to hit the slice option at the bottom right. Now you want to remove all of the extra pieces that you don't need. And there's also a few ways you can do this. You can either go over here to the right under slice results and you select the one you want to remove. You just click on it and hit delete. And you can continue and hit delete. Continue, hit delete. Or, let me go back. Or you can move your pieces over and delete like that also. So any way that you want to do it. So I'm going to make this a little bigger. Okay, now I'm going to type in what I want it to say in the middle. So again, you're going to go to the left and click on text, and the box is going to pop up, and I am simply going to just type in our family last name. This is it right here. And I don't want to use this same font. I want it to be a different font. So again, I'm going to go up here to fonts, select my system fonts so I can find the fonts that I have downloaded. And I can show you how to download fonts into your Cricut, but I would do that in another video. Just leave the comments below and I can make another video for you if you want to know how. So I'm going to look for my font, which is Cream Candy. So the font that I selected is called Cream Candy, and it's a cursive font, as you can see. So I'm going to make this a little bigger, and I'm going to line it up with the lines that are here. Now you see that all of the letters are, some are extremely far apart, and I want to bring them closer together. There's also a couple ways you can do this. You can either go up here to the top where it says letter space, and you can hit this down arrow, which will move them closer together like that. But you can do that, but so much. Some fonts you have to actually move them some more. So I'm going to go up here to ungroup, which it ungroups every single letter, so now they're individually. So I'm going to move them over like this. And you can put them however you want them to look. It doesn't matter. I'm going to put them like this. Okay, and then when I am done, okay, I'm just going to move this M right quick out of the way. And then when you're done putting them as close as you want them, you highlight the entire thing, and I select weld. And the reason why I select weld is so when I cut this out, it won't cut with the lines that were connected. It will just cut out together. So now I'm gonna bring my M back, make it bigger, and then I'm gonna put this inside. Now I'm gonna unlock this so that I can stretch this across, and I don't want it to be that big or that tall, so I'm gonna move it around. You're gonna have to play with this when you do it to get it to look the way you want it to look. Okay, and that looks just about perfect the way I want it. So once you move it to where you want it, you're pretty much done with that. Okay, now I'm going to just highlight both of these like that, and then I'm going to hit attach to attach them together. So when you click make it over here and you get ready to cut it, it's all together on your mat. You see the writing in the middle, everything is together, so it'll cut out together. So now you can move it, you can make it bigger, you can make it smaller, however you want it. It's together. You can put it the way you want it to look, and it is complete. So that's it for this video. Like I said, if you would like to know how to download fonts onto your machine, just let me know in the comments and I will make another video. Or if you want to know how to make this bigger and cut it out, you know, a bigger size, I can show you how to do that as well. And also, if you want to know how to add pieces around it, you know, to make it look, you know, with some decor, or, you know, sometimes you can add a circle, decorative items around it. You can do a lot of things with this. Just let me know what you want to see and I can make a video for you. Okay, so that's it for this video. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching. God bless.